Hello, Tuchopini here. This is Brian Ampundo. Today we are going to be covering area of a triangle given two sides and an included angle. Let's get right into it. So we have a triangle here. This is our beautiful triangle, and on one side we have 30 degrees. On the other side we have 110 degrees. We have a side A which is 20 centimeters long, side B which is unknown, and side C which is also unknown. We have point A, point B, and point C. So the question reads as follows. The above triangle shows triangle ABC in which AB is equivalent to 20 centimeters, angle BAC is equals to 100 degrees, and angle ACB is equals to 30 degrees. Calculate to one decimal place the length of AB and hence the area of triangle ABC. Okay, since we know the angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, we can do the following. We can say 180 deduct 110 deduct 30, which gives us 40 degrees. We'll use the sine method to get side C. Sine method states that A all over sine A is equals to B all over sine B is equals to C all over sine C. We have A as 20 centimeters all over sine of A is 110 degrees is equals to C, which is unknown, all over sine of C, which is 30 degrees. If we shift things around, we get C to be 10.64 centimeters. Therefore, if we want to calculate the area, we will get the two sides and the angle in the middle. And the two sides that are here are A and C, and the angle in the middle is B. That's why we are doing a half AC sine B. A is given by 20, C is given by 10.64 as we had calculated, and then multiply by the angle in the middle, which is sine 40, giving us 68.1 centimeters squared. Thanks for watching. This is Tuchopini. Kindly like, subscribe, and share the video if you found it to be helpful.